I'm going to do search list. I did share last video, and next I'll do the add to favorites. But now we'll do search. So we could use SearchDelegate, as it says it adds a search, basically text field to the AppBar. Then it gives you methods to build your search with, but I'll show you. I don't know. This SearchDelegate is a little more advanced, so to keep it simple, I'll just add a text field to this. So we're on my home page, we'll just add a text field. And yeah, we'll add a controller to it. Search controller. And then, alright, so we'll make the search controller right here. We'll take all this increment counter stuff off, we don't need it, so it'll be a text editing controller, search controller equals text editing. You don't need the new keyword on the new Dart, so we need a comma right there. We also need a onChanged function so we can listen to query changes, or sorry, text changes. So queryPeople, I guess. We'll just make a function called queryPeople. Alright, and then so we'll just print out the query string right now. I'll just show you what that looks like. Let's run it again. So you see every time type a letter or erase something, it prints out the query string here. It just passes the value there. So kind of does it for you. So since this is a feature builder, it's based on the actual request. So we need to make the request out of this and just show it after it's done. So a stateful widget has a function where it only gets called once, basically. Yeah, so it's called initState. We'll make the request here. And I'll put all this code in GitHub, so I'll link the source code in all of the descriptions of each video. So we need a list of initial data, I guess. I'm sorry. Initial data. copy that and we'll call this showList. So this will only be called once. So if we call setState again, it won't make the request again. So and instead of a future builder, I'll just come it out so you can see what it was before. We'll just make the child the what was it, people list. We'll just pass init or showList. So yeah, we'll just run this to make sure it still runs correctly. So did I rerun it? Of course, you need to call setState right here. So I'll rerun this. There, I just reran it, but so still the same data still runs. So now every time we type a query, we need to fetch or filter out the list, so it only show the ones that match the query. First we'll check if the query string is not empty. Well, if it is empty, we'll just we'll set showList to initialData. But if it is, or if it is empty, we'll set it to initialData. But if it's not, we'll just loop through the initialData. And we'll get the name. And if the name to lowercase dot contains the query string dot to lowercase, we'll add sorry, I can't think. We'll just make another list real quick. Oh man. Alright. And then we'll set sorry, showList to equal copy list. I need to wrap this with the setState so we can see our data changes. Just format this real quick. So I think that should work. Let's see. Yep. Another way, sort of shorter code to Dart has a lot of these helper functions. It's like it's a lot like JavaScript, so we could have also done showList equals initialData where, and then do string, I guess. And then, so the string.name dot contains query string dot to lowercase. We do name dot to lowercase. So return true, else return false. I can't type. Into list. I believe that should work. It's just another like helper function. Yes, that works also. So that's kind of a shorter way to do that same thing. Make sure you wrap it in setState. So next, in the next video, it might be multiple videos. I'll do it in one take, but depending how long it is, I might chop it up. But that's all for this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.